Hi guys, welcome one more time to the Puro show. Hope all of you are having a great day. As every Sunday, we are going to try and make it a little better with 3 segments full of the funniest scare cams. And we are going to start with a segment that we haven't seen in a while. The air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
That was a good one. That one's a video all on its own.
Sit down and say a kind of space. What am I supposed to be? You better not scare me. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Oh, yeah.
I was expecting you on this side, and then I didn't see you.
You're not even talking.
My stomach hurts.
Are you trying to kill me?
Tre. What?
What is wrong with you?
Oh my God, the cookie! Let's try. Can you throw a walkover on her?
That didn't scare me. Hey. It didn't?
You know, another thing that really pissed with
I'm not, I don't even have it.
Put something in wrong or something.
Sorry, Alex, I need use.
Amanda, are you done with your homework? Amanda.
I personally love the air horn scares. As I always say, there are 2 groups of people, the ones who love them and the ones who hate them. I'm for sure in the first group, but what about you guys? Let me know in the comments which group you belong to. Meanwhile, for our next segment, we have a versus, the husband versus wife scares. Let's check them out.
Babe, 5 buckets for you.
What did you do?
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Hey, baby, I actually got the box. What? Hi.
What's wrong with you?
Oh! I kicked you. Are you okay?
What are you buying?
Danny, Danny! Danny, Danny! Il y a le feu, dépêche-toi, il y a les pompiers! Vite, vite, faut sortir! Oh, je suis mort! Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this!
Marty.
Babe! Just saying hello.
In this house.
I'm here. Behind you, look.
For me, this one goes to the wise, no doubt. Don't forget to write in the comments which one is your winner. Well, sadly, we have reached our last segment. Hope you guys enjoyed today's show and had a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for all of your support. As always, we've saved the best for last with our special segment, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Oh my god.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
This one?
Stop! Hey!
I'm not really sure. She kind of messed it up.
You are so bad.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
What y'all talking about, man? What am
That's not a big deal. Ah, bird had me. I know what the hell it was.
Good morning.
لازم اروح حالي مكان الله اكبر اغير الوجه
Pino, come chicken, foco.
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, then please leave a like as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description. See you soon guys.